Gift him. Chevre, it is Chanukah. If it's comes to Chanukah, you have to gift the husband. Gift him. Zevi,
how are you?
it's from the zweite Mal ich do, and I got so much regards from last time. As this is a beautiful store. The only time in the store, so we came back.
Baruch Hashem, Baruch Hashem. It's that time of the year.
That's it, the gift time.
He's gemacht als een noise letzte uur. Unbelievable. This is a team. Hoeveel followers hast du?
Baruch Hashem, we had a lot of people.
Whoever doesn't know, Chaim is the biggest out there. Crazy.
So anyway,
Let's start.
Zevi is an Inga man. I want to tell my father that jumped into a store, which is a great idea. Gift him a gift store for men. The Vabaram Hashem geniken noch gift stores. In the man have noch a gift store.
Right.
So Zevi opened up a men's gift store called Gift Him. Zevi, it's Kim Chanukah. The Vabaram have for the men in Matunis. What do you got now in style?
So it's some so Sachen. I don't even know where to start. Number one, we can start with all the Sachen von Chanukah. From all the companies, all the options.
Herrlich. Wow, it's a nice zach.
Yeah, this is actually sold out, so whoever still finds it anywhere should grab it.
Taka.
Yeah.
I love that item, that timer.
Kick off this. This is also new. Du gaat erop de menorah, tray. Kannst du alles halten inside.
Sehr cute.
Hast du alle oil jugs, sand timers, trays, leather, beautiful Zmiris van Chanukah. Beautiful, stunning. The trays. This is all the seasonal stuff. Now we could go to we have all the hoodies with the fur, white fur, gray fur, full fur, semi-fur, removable fur.
Taka.
Chaim, this is probably your favorite, nein?
The scarf.
This is your favorite.
Links van jou, we got the scarf.
Oh,
the
wow.
pelt.
Waarom warm te goed met hem.
Geschmack. So mit Ulm Williamsburg guide mit the hoodies, was the
hoodies guide me, ja. Mr. Guy mit canvas, black hoodie is beautiful.
Saying to get cozy for the winter.
Yeah, sure. You go on and on and on.
Wow, herrlich.
Eine Seite an einem Minute.
Moment, okay. Cut. Ich kann mir mal auslegen.
Haben Sie was da darf? Ja.
Gift card for $350.
Sure. Karim. Look around, look what you like.
Ken ich interview am nicht? Nein, mach eine Video du. $350, was willst du Tage kaufen du? Komm mal Hoodie hast du schon? Scheine weiße Hoodie, gib mal schon eine Hoodie. So auch die Hoodies.
Kim Khadawazen, Kim Khadawazen. Kannst du mal beautiful fur shawl? Kannst du mal brand name? Ferragamo scarf.
Zevi, gib mal Tune the pelt.
Ja, was ist something? Ich habe mal once I got something, he's gonna stay with it. I'm saying, wow.
Shine.
These days, kannst du gerne viel lesen, if you want the cozy feel. Go, wow.
Oh.
It's a match, by the way. It's a match with that rekel.
Smash the rekel.
This is beautiful, the rekel.
Gorgeous rekel.
Shout out
to the company from where
Shout out to the company.
Herrliche rekel gerade. Dit is
Kijk, er was een water. Kannst du mal a beautiful belt. Kannst du mal a cozy blanket, a sweater, pajamas, robes. Kijk op deze slippers.
Wie pronounce me that company noemen?
UGG. Zo ik weet het.
UGG,
UGG, UGG, you name it.
Zolzan.
Kijk op deze pajamas, feel this. This is model. Kijk op beautiful colors. Look at this. This is the newest color. Such a light green. Kijk water, Chaim. Let's go water.
Maar nu.
Challenboards, challencover.
Dit is dat jede customer komt aan.
Jede customer komt white glove service. Wow. Feels this? Kijk op de. Number one, maar Kim's deze shop.
Kijk, Kim's deze shop. Dit is alleen maar. Kim's daar. Dit is gewoon een
Kim water. Ooit die hast daar car. Some of alle accessories for cars. Die hast diffusers, car hanger, garbage cans, mug warmer and cooler. Has black view dash cams from all prices. Whatever it does. Die hast massages, vacuum cleaners for the car. Hast een AirPods, was dan AirPods? You got it. It's a personalized mug. This is for our office. Dit is een office aan stuk. Die was zusammenbleiben heißt dan koffie.
So basically, hast jede Sache, was ein Mann kann oder will in sein Leben, hast du
yes. This is actually a couple game.
Nice.
It's a very, very popular game. Couple combo. How's they safe? I don't know if you saw it.
No,
this is a safe that looks like a cipher.
But the
Bucherim Yeshiva, you want to hide something? This is it.
Ich kijk hem hier nog eens daar, hallo?
Kick of their beautiful zyges, beautiful wallets, accessories, phone holders, battery packs. Oh, I forgot to show you. This is probably, now Chanukah, one of the most going items. Personalized power banks.
Nice.
It's not expensive. I mean, it's not put in der eine Clip, and like drauf the nummer, sure.
Nice.
Wenn man geht weiter, hast du the night diffusers, hast die diffusers for office, ein Mensch scheint office, he wants to make it nice. Here you go.
Frave, this is the famous company Frave.
Yeah, just
nice
launched.
Stuff, just launched. No, I'm the diffusers here. Have the Frave. Shout out.
Has travel accessories, neck pillows, travel blankets, tulas aderech, sleep mask. Look at this leather sleep mask. That's
nice.
a silk insert. Kicking the women's shine pants, shine men's cologne.
Wow.
Zal zich gelopen.
Ja, de Don Williams geloopt zich.
Behalten uit.
Behalten uit.
Die shine shades.
Oh, behalten uit. We gaan naar Miami.
Ja, verstaat zich.
Nog een beetje. Don gaat nog voor die pens.
Ja, sure.
Geen als boeken, die Parker pens.
Kick off the pen. Look at this beautiful pen.
Has die Parker?
Parker, wie kaufen noch an
Das ist schon
Parker?
automatisch.
Look at this beautiful
Das ist
Mont
eine
Blanc
neue.
pen.
Und ich bin ein Buch, der Parker gewinnt der Hit. Der Cross mit der Parker.
Jetzt können wir gehen weiter. Du hast all the new Maime Groinums. Look at this. Ich meine, das ist schon almost out of stock. Whoever wants to grab it.
Sei, cute.
Du hast the real silver. Beide sind noch nicht so geheim, aber sie kommt hand tun. Ein Heritage Silver. Real silver, sterling pens, money clips mit, ja, whatever, bunch of prices. Ja.
So this is alles von Heritage? Von Volvi allein, ja? Gaan we deze cologne bottle in de back? Wat is
Jetzt
dit?
ist ein Whisky Flask.
A whiskey flask.
Das darf man alle gehen. Also du hast Scheile mit Heilige Rebbe.
Oh, wow.
Ja, aber Hashem, we all stacked, shine Ständer mit den Namen,
Basically,
all
the
the
stocks.
leather
Der Buch kann sich erlauben
stuff.
jetzt.
Wo die das hast, die du, die
Nein,
hast?
das ist Collection.
Ja.
Darf noch...
Das ist noch in der Jester. Kannst du sitzen den ganzen Tag? Pusht da kicken.
Ich meine, die...
Ganz beschicken werden von der Platz. I love this place.
Chaim, look here. Also beautiful, beautiful wallets from all prices, all ranges. Also shine brand name belts. Everything comes in a nice gift packs. In a
So
gift
das ist
pack.
auch eine Sache. So alles kommt in einer scheine Box.
Everything is packaged. Die darfst nicht sich jetzt gehen schleppen und kaufen Wrapping Paper mit Gift Boxes, mit...
Also gifted over here. How does it work with gift cards?
So gift cards.
If a woman doesn't know what her husband wants.
So gift card is the beautiful, schönste Sache. Lass ihm sich choosen if you don't know.
Buy him a gift card.
Was hast du ihm etwas kaufen? He doesn't know. Ja, das ist ja lieb, das ist nicht lieb. Baruch Hashem.
Wow, Challi bei denen Kinder do. In the Orman Bar Park asked me last time after the video, Chaim, when kommt das Tozi Bar Park?
So we offer delivery Bar Park,
Oh, danke.
Williamsburg, Monty, all over.
So einer kann dich schicken nach
Get
WhatsApp.
now WhatsApp 718-500-8333. You have it delivered. Wow. Nechting out a customer Bar Park. Got it, was a Mont Blanc belt, delivered, with a picture. Beautiful.
So Kevin, schicken my WhatsApp, we'll put the number on the screen. In Zevi, you know wherever we go do a Perlowitz promotion, what's the promotion, how you do?
So Chaim, for my Fadir, for Dana followers will do, whoever buys a gift card of $100 and up gets 10% off.
Nice. What's the address? Einer will kommen do in-house, weil...
In-house is not the best.
The best,
You come daran, you see everything, you feel it. The address is 500 Flushing Avenue in Williamsburg, in the G&G Mall. Nicht in the W Mall, in the G&G Mall. Got less to mention going to W Mall, like, don't even laugh at that. Do it, G&G Mall.
Kevin, kommst du da zu GIFTHIM, zoek Zevi, so on the Perlowitz show for 10% off on the gift card. Nou, als maar lichting in frischen, veilige gaan.
Thank you, Chaim. Thank you.